Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to generate our color logic using AI prompts. You can copy the exact prompts I used right from the description below. Just enter a single primary color and AI will handle everything, from light and dark theme calculations to generating JSON files ready for Figma. Let's dive right in. It doesn't matter which AI you use, whether it's Gemini, ChatGPT or anything else. Just open your preferred AI tool and paste the step 1 prompt. This first prompt calculates and extracts the hex codes for both light and dark theme color palettes. Before pasting it, let me quickly explain how the step 1 prompt works. As you probably know from using AI, we need to assign it a role first. After assigning the role, pick a primary color you want to use and note down its hex code in a notepad. Next, if you'd like to adjust the calculation rules I provided, change this value right here if you want to tweak the color saturation, or edit this part to adjust the brightness. If you're curious about a more detailed explanation of saturation and brightness, feel free to check out my color palette algorithm video. Lastly, if you want to adjust the darkness of your dark theme, change this hex code value right here. The closer it is to pure black, the darker your dark theme color palette will be. Enter the hex code of your chosen primary color right here, and make sure to update the color name to match your primary color as well. And there you go! Step 1 has generated our output. Now let's move on and paste the step 2 prompt. The second prompt will extract the JSON file ready to be imported right into Figma. If you need to customize the collection names before importing into Figma, here's how. Edit this part for the top level collection, this part for the next depth, and edit right here for the actual mode names. Of course, you can always rename them directly inside Figma after importing as well. Now, go ahead and download the generated JSON files. Make sure to check which one is the light theme and which one is the dark theme before downloading. Once downloaded, rename each file to match its respective theme name. Now simply import those saved JSON files into Figma. And just like that, your theme-based color palettes are completely ready in Figma. Instead of entering colors one by one, use this method to easily generate any color palette you want and import it seamlessly into Figma. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. I'm Dudu.